Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp if videos are not playing. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, if you have the app open, close it. Now, you gotta find WhatsApp app. If you're using Android, tap and hold onto it and tap on app info. If you're using iOS, just gotta find the app section and just upload WhatsApp. Okay, offload app or offload data. Now in here, just gotta find storage, tap on clear cache and tap on clear data. After that, gotta find your Play Store or App Store. Use the search function in the search bar, type down WhatsApp and just update the app if there's an update available. Okay. Once the update is done, go ahead and open it up. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and tap on your profile. Now go ahead and find storage and data right here. Just tap on it. Now under media auto download, okay, you can tap on each. For example, when using mobile data, if you're only using mobile data, well, go ahead and include videos, okay, or include them all. Once done, just hit on OK. After that, tap on when connected to Wi-Fi, just do the same, okay. So whenever you go ahead and use Wi-Fi or mobile data, everything will be automatically downloaded, okay? And then after that, go ahead and go back to your chat and just play the video. All right? If it still doesn't work, you can go ahead and force close the app, reopen it, and then play the video. All right? If that still won't work, reinstalling the app will help, okay? That is how you fix WhatsApp if videos are not playing. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.